Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. Today I'm very excited to show you a 2024 Harris Solstice 230. So it's a 23-foot tri-tune that we have here. Absolutely beautiful color combination. We have the matte black finish with a black powder coated fence railing, and then also this platinum silver. It's got some metal flake in it, so when you're on the water, it's really gonna pop and look sharp out there in the lakes. As we make our way down, we have our bimini top up here. This does have the safety railing, so you can have passengers ride back here legally when you're underway. And on the Solstice, you have a really nice extended swim platform here. Ski tow bar, and this is a Mercury 250 Verado, so tons of power when you're out in the water. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting here on the stern of the boat, we have a really nice sun pad. You can adjust this in a couple of different ways. This is gonna rotate down and all the way back so you can make it into a complete sun pad. You have tons of storage underneath these cushions, and then also a built-in cooler. This boat's really meant for entertainment. You have cup holders on the port side, and you also have a spot to change the music and volume. As we make our way inside, really nice L-shaped seating right here. This does have the shade gray, so it's gonna be kind of a darker gray on the upholstery. It looks really sharp. Again, we have cup holders down below, JL audio, so great sound quality across the boat. As we take a look at the helm here, we have a really high back seat at the captain's chair. It's going to be able to swivel and adjust. Beautiful steering wheel right here that does tilt up and down. Our Simrad display screen, so you're going to have chart plotting, navigation, engine diagnostics. It's going to be very accessible here at the helm. And then also our standard tacks on either side. Since this does have the 250 Verado in the back there, we do have our digital throttle and shift, so it's gonna be a really nice feature when you're out in the water. Maximizing the space on our center tube, we do have in-floor storage. Right now the cover is down there that comes with the pontoon, but it's a great spot to put other belongings as well. Over here we do have our chase-in table that flips up to put out some food and some drinks on either side. For a 23-foot boat, we do have tons of space to move about. Up here in the bow, we have our flip-down armrest, so you're gonna be able to sit back, hang out, and relax when you're on the water. Again, cup holders on either side, tons of storage underneath all the seats. This is a 2024 Harris Solstice 230. It's here at our store in Rogers. Give us a call or come by and take a look. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.